In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch keyboard languages on a MacBook. Most Macs will not come with multiple languages, so the first thing you need to do is come up to the little Apple logo and come down to System Preferences and then come across to Keyboard. And from here, you want to select Input Sources from the top. As you can see, I only have one language at the moment. You want to come down to the bottom left and click the little plus. As you can see here on the left, you have multiple languages to choose from. Let's first add Arabic. Let's add another language. Let's select Danish. We click Add. Now we have 3 different languages, and you can add as many as you like. You want to come across at top again and select Shortcuts. And then on the left, you want to select Input Sources. And then you want to make sure both these boxes are selected. And now to change between the languages, you want to press Control plus Spacebar. And then this box will appear, and then you keep pressing the spacebar to move between the languages. And then you press Enter on the one that you want. If you don't want that box to appear, you can select Control, Options and Spacebar. And as you can see on the top, we are changing between the languages. If you don't want to see these little flags on the taskbar, you simply come back to the keyboard settings in your System Preferences, and you want to click Input Sources, and you want to untick Show Input Menu in Bar. It's recommended if you have multiple languages that you'd leave this ticked, but as you can see, you can still change between the languages even with it unticked, just that you will be unsure which language you're on. And that is how you switch keyboard languages on the MacBook. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button below and check out this next quick Mac tip below, and thank you for watching.